Let's be honest, most of us have been there. You're running late, you skip breakfast, or you grab whatever's quick and sugary on your way out the door. Maybe it's a donut, maybe it's a bag of chips, or maybe you just don't eat at all. But here's the thing. When you start your day this way, you're setting yourself up to crash and burn. You're missing out on the energy, focus, and satisfaction that a real breakfast can give you. But don't worry, today, we're going to change that. I'm going to show you 5 super easy Western-style breakfasts that are perfect for weight loss. But more importantly, they're designed to make you feel amazing. These aren't boring, bland meals. They're colorful, packed with flavor, and they'll keep you full and energized all morning long. I get it. Mornings can be absolute chaos. Maybe you've got kids to get ready, emails piling up, or you just want to hit snooze one more time. It's tempting to reach for that quick pastry or skip breakfast altogether. But here's the truth. Those quick fixes leave you hungry, tired, and reaching for snacks way before lunchtime. When you start your day with sugar or nothing at all, you're basically telling your body to run on empty. By 10 a.m., you're sluggish, distracted, and probably already thinking about your next snack. That's a recipe for disaster, especially if you're trying to lose weight or just want to feel your best. But today, we're breaking that cycle for good. No more mindless snacking, no more energy crashes, and definitely no more skipping the most important meal of the day. Instead, we're going to build a breakfast routine that actually works for you, not against you. This is for everyone, especially busy professionals, students, parents, or anyone who thinks healthy food is too complicated or just plain boring. If you've ever thought, I don't have time for breakfast, or healthy food doesn't taste good, this is your wake-up call. I promise, you'll be surprised at how easy and delicious these meals can be. I'm about to show you 5 mouth-watering, simple breakfasts that will fuel your body, satisfy your taste buds, and keep you full until lunch. We're talking maximum flavor, minimum fuss, meals you'll actually look forward to eating, even on your busiest mornings. So, let's toss out the excuses. No more saying you don't have time, or that healthy food is too much work. Today, breakfast is about to become the best, most energizing part of your morning routine. Imagine sitting down, even for just a few minutes, with a meal that makes you feel good, inside and out. All you need are fresh, simple ingredients. No fancy gadgets, no complicated steps, just real food that powers your day. Are you ready to transform your mornings and feel your best? Let's get cooking and make breakfast the highlight of your day. Let's kick off the day with a breakfast that's not just quick, but also incredibly satisfying: the protein omelette. Imagine waking up to the aroma of eggs sizzling in the pan, the promise of a meal that's light, fluffy, and bursting with flavor. And the best part, you can whip this up in under 5 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings or when you just want something delicious without the wait. Start by gathering your ingredients. 2 fresh eggs, a generous handful of vibrant spinach, a few earthy mushrooms sliced thin, and some lean turkey breast. These aren't just any ingredients. They're the building blocks of a breakfast that fuels your body and keeps you full for hours. The combination of protein from the eggs and turkey, plus the fiber and nutrients from the veggies, makes this omelet a powerhouse meal. Crack the eggs into a bowl and add a splash of milk for extra fluffiness. Season with a pinch of salt and a twist of black pepper. Now whisk it all together until the mixture is light and bubbly. This step is key. The more air you whip in, the lighter your omelet will be. Don't rush it. Take a moment to enjoy the process, knowing you're creating something nourishing from scratch. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add just a touch of oil. You want the pan hot enough that the eggs sizzle as soon as they hit the surface, but not so hot that they brown too quickly. Pour in the egg mixture and listen to that satisfying sizzle. It's the sound of breakfast in the making. As the edges of the omelet begin to set, use a spatula to gently pull them toward the center. This allows the uncooked egg to flow underneath, ensuring your omelet cooks evenly and stays tender. It's a simple technique, but it makes all the difference between a dense omelet and one that's perfectly fluffy. When the eggs are mostly set but still a little soft on top, it's time to add your fillings. Scatter the spinach, mushrooms, and turkey over 1/2 of the omelet. The heat will wilt the spinach just enough, while the mushrooms and turkey warm through, releasing their flavors into the eggs. You can even add a sprinkle of your favorite cheese here if you like, for an extra creamy touch. Carefully fold the omelet over the fillings, creating a half-moon shape that locks in all that goodness. Let it sit in the pan for a few seconds more just to make sure everything inside is heated through, and the cheese, if you added it, gets perfectly melty. Now gently slide your omelette onto a plate. Take a moment to admire the golden, fluffy exterior and the vibrant colors peeking out from the inside. This isn't just breakfast, it's a celebration of real food, made with care and ready to power you through your morning. And here's the best part. This entire meal comes in at under 300 calories. It's filling, packed with protein, and loaded with vitamins and minerals from the veggies. You'll feel energized, satisfied, and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you, without the mid-morning crash that comes from sugary cereals or processed breakfast bars. All it takes is 5 minutes, a handful of real ingredients, and a little bit of love in the kitchen. Forget about those instant packets or drive-through breakfasts. This is faster, healthier, and so much more rewarding. Plus, you know exactly what's going into your body, so why not give it a try? Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this protein omelet is foolproof. No more excuses about not having time or not knowing what to make. With a recipe this simple, anyone can start their day strong. Make this omelet part of your morning routine, and you'll notice the difference. More energy, better focus, and a sense of accomplishment before you even leave the house. This is how you start your day strong, one delicious bite at a time. Next, avocado toast, done right. Use hearty whole wheat or sourdough bread for lasting energy. Toast until golden and crisp. Mash ripe avocado with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes for flavor and brightness. Spread generously on your toast. Top with a perfectly boiled egg. Firm white jammy yolk. Slice and arrange on the avocado for a beautiful protein-packed finish. Sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning or fresh herbs for extra flavor. Complex carbs, healthy fats, and protein, all in minutes. Prep eggs ahead for even faster mornings. It's quick, balanced, and delicious. A breakfast game changer. Give it a try and see how good healthy can taste. For zero-time mornings, meet the overnight Greek yogurt jar. Layer real Greek yogurt, rolled oats, and chia seeds in a jar. Add fresh or frozen berries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. Repeat layers, yogurt, oats, fruit, chia, until the jar is full. Top with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of nuts if you like. Seal and refrigerate overnight. By morning you have a creamy, protein-packed, fiber-rich breakfast ready to grab and go. No cooking, no mess, just pure convenience. Eat it at home on your commute or at your desk. Healthy fast food made by you. No more excuses for skipping breakfast. Craving something hearty? Try the breakfast burrito. Lean, high protein, and high fiber. Sauté onions and bell peppers, then scramble in egg whites for pure protein. Stir in rinsed black beans for fiber and plant protein. Warm a whole wheat tortilla for easy rolling. Fill with the egg and bean mixture, don't overstuff. Add salsa, a few avocado slices or fresh cilantro for flavor. Roll tightly, fold sides in, then roll up from the bottom. Wrap in foil for a portable, mess-free meal. Complete nutrition, protein, fiber, complex carbs, and veggies. Make the filling ahead for even faster mornings. This burrito fuels your day and keeps you full. Ditch boring breakfast. Be a burrito pro. Mornings can be hectic, and sometimes breakfast is the first thing to get sacrificed when you're running late. But what if you could whip up a nutritious, delicious meal in just 2 minutes? Enter the 2-minute get-me-out-the-door protein smoothie. A lifesaver for busy mornings and a game-changer for your daily routine. This smoothie is designed to be quick, easy, and packed with everything you need to fuel your day. Start by pouring unsweetened almond milk into your blender. Almond milk is a fantastic low-calorie base that adds creaminess without extra sugar. Next, toss in a frozen banana. Not only does it chill your smoothie, but it also brings natural sweetness and a creamy texture that makes every sip satisfying. Add a handful of rolled oats for slow-digesting carbs and extra fiber, which will help keep you full all morning. Now, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Whether you prefer plant-based or whey, this is your main source of protein, helping to repair muscles and keep hunger at bay. For a flavor boost and extra nutrition, add a spoonful of peanut butter. It gives your smoothie a rich, nutty taste and provides healthy fats for lasting energy. If you want to sneak in some greens, toss in a handful of fresh spinach. You won't even taste it, but you'll get a dose of vitamins and minerals. For an extra nutritional punch, sprinkle in some flax seeds or chia seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, supporting heart health and digestion. Secure the lid and blend everything together until the mixture is thick, creamy, and completely smooth, no lumps allowed. The frozen banana and oats help create a milkshake-like consistency that feels indulgent, even though it's healthy. pour your smoothie into a travel cup or insulated bottle. This way you can take your breakfast with you, whether you're heading to work, school, or the gym. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing unhealthy snacks on the go. This smoothie is a complete meal in a cup. You get high-quality protein from the powder, complex carbs and fiber from the oats and banana, healthy fats from the peanut butter and seeds, and a boost of vitamins from the spinach. The combination of ingredients provides sustained energy, helps balance your blood sugar, and keeps you feeling satisfied for hours. Plus, the natural sweetness from the banana means you don't need any added sugar. Even on your busiest mornings, you can have a wholesome breakfast ready in no time. Just blend, pour, and go. No mess, no fuss, and no excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. All it takes is 2 minutes. Set a timer if you don't believe it. In the time it takes to scroll through your notifications, you'll have a filling, energizing breakfast ready to power you through your morning. Enjoy your smoothie on your commute, at your desk, or even after a morning workout. It's portable, versatile, and fits perfectly into any lifestyle. Fast, simple, and effective. This smoothie is your new breakfast secret weapon. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. So tomorrow morning, invest just 2 minutes in your health. Your body and mind will thank you, and you'll start your day feeling energized, focused, and ready to take on anything. There you have it. 5 simple, delicious breakfasts you can make in minutes. No more excuses or skipping the most important meal. Healthy breakfasts are quick, easy, and perfect for weight loss. We've covered omelets, avocado toast, yogurt jars, burritos, and smoothies, something for everyone. Eating well is about fueling your body for success. Start your day right and you'll feel the difference all day long. You have the recipes, now put them into action. Like, subscribe, and share if you want more healthy meal ideas. Now get cooking and start your breakfast revolution.